Hello everyone! Okay, this is my first vlog and it's about my favorite food and it's pasta. It's a unique recipe, it's my recipe, and it's just what we have in the fridge. And you can try it. I can assure you that you can eat it. Here are the ingredients. And you're ready to play. This is it, and it will all depend on, of course, my hubby's verdict. Go have a taste, alright, please. See what you think. Honest, please. I'm happy to say that even my little one loves it. He seems to enjoy what I cooked. So you could try it as well. It's good for kids. It's nutritious as it's got lots of vegetables in it. Try it. Leave some comments below. Hit subscribe and like.